How to get a quote for auto transport. Getting a quote for auto transport is the first step in ensuring your vehicle is shipped safely and efficiently. It helps you understand the costs involved, compare different service providers, and make an informed decision. At Route Runners Auto Transport, we strive to make the quoting process straightforward and transparent. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to get a quote for auto transport and provide tips on what to look for to ensure you get the best service at a competitive price. Why get a quote for auto transport? Obtaining a quote for auto transport is essential for several reasons. Cost estimation. A quote provides a detailed breakdown of the costs involved, helping you budget for the transport. Service comparison. By getting quotes from multiple companies, you can compare services, prices, and customer reviews to choose the best provider. Understanding services. A detailed quote helps you understand the different services offered, such as open versus enclosed transport and additional options like expedited shipping or door-to-door service. Avoiding hidden fees. A transparent quote ensures there are no hidden fees or unexpected charges. Steps to get a quote for auto transport. Follow these steps to get a comprehensive and accurate quote for your auto transport needs. 1. Gather vehicle information. To get an accurate quote, you need to provide specific details about your vehicle. This information helps the transport company determine the best trailer type, route, and pricing. Required vehicle information, make and model, year, vehicle condition, operational or non-operational. Modifications, e.g. lift kits, low ground clearance. At Route Runners Auto Transport, we use this information to provide a tailored quote that meets your specific needs. 2. Determine pickup and delivery locations. The distance between the pickup and delivery locations is a significant factor in determining the cost of auto transport. Be ready to provide the exact addresses or zippy codes for both locations. Considerations: urban versus rural areas. Transporting to or from rural areas might be more expensive due to less frequent routes. Accessibility. Ensure the locations are accessible for large transport trailers. Route Runners Auto Transport offers nationwide coverage, ensuring we can transport your vehicle to and from virtually any location. 3. Choose the type of transport. There are two primary types of auto transport, open and enclosed. Each has its advantages and cost implications. Open transport, most common and cost-effective. Vehicles are exposed to weather and road debris, suitable for standard vehicles. Enclosed transport provides maximum protection, higher cost due to added security, ideal for luxury, classic, and exotic cars. At Route Runners Auto Transport, we offer both open and enclosed transport options to accommodate your vehicle's needs. 4. Decide on additional services. Consider any additional services you might need, such as expedited shipping for urgent transport needs. Door-to-door service, convenient pickup and delivery at specified locations. Insurance, additional coverage for high-value vehicles. Route Runners. Auto Transport offers a range of additional services to enhance your transport experience and meet your specific requirements. 5. Request quotes from multiple companies. To get the best deal, request quotes from multiple auto transport companies. This allows you to compare prices, services, and customer reviews. How to request a quote online. Many companies, including Route Runners Auto Transport, offer an easy-to-use online quote form. Simply fill in the required details and receive a quote within minutes. Phone. Call the company's customer service line to speak with a representative and get a quote over the phone. Email. Some companies allow you to request a quote via email, provide the necessary details, and wait for a response. 6. Review and compare quotes. Once you receive quotes from multiple companies, review and compare them carefully. Look for the following: price breakdown. Ensure the quote includes all costs, such as fuel surcharges, insurance, and any additional fees. Services included. Verify what services are included in the quote, such as pickup and delivery options, type of transport, and additional services. Customer reviews. Check customer reviews and testimonials to gauge the reliability and quality of the company's services. Route Runners Auto Transport provides transparent quotes with no hidden fees, ensuring you know exactly what you're paying for. Tips for getting an accurate auto transport. Quote. Here are some tips to ensure you get an accurate and fair quote for auto transport. 1. Provide accurate information. Ensure all the information you provide about your vehicle and transport requirements is accurate. Inaccurate details can lead to incorrect quotes and potential issues during transport. 2. Ask about discounts. Some auto transport companies offer discounts for military personnel, students, and multiple vehicle shipments. Don't hesitate to ask about available discounts to reduce your costs. 3. Clarify insurance coverage. Ask about the insurance coverage included in the quote. Verify what is covered and if additional insurance is needed for high-value vehicles. 4. Understand the terms and conditions. Read the terms and conditions carefully. Ensure you understand the company's policies on cancellations, delays, and any potential additional charges. Why choose Route Runners? Auto transport. When it comes to getting a quote for auto transport, choosing a reputable and experienced company is crucial. Here's why you should choose Route Runners Auto Transport. 1. Expertise and experience. With years of experience in the industry, we have the knowledge and expertise to provide accurate and competitive quotes. 2. Comprehensive services. We offer a range of services, including open and enclosed transport, expedited shipping, and door-to-door service to meet all your needs. 3. Transparent pricing. Our transparent pricing ensures no hidden fees or surprises, allowing you to budget effectively. 4. Customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. Our dedicated customer support team is available to assist you at every step of the process. Conclusion. Getting a quote for auto transport is a crucial step in ensuring your vehicle is shipped safely and efficiently. By providing accurate information, understanding your transport options, and comparing quotes from multiple companies, you can make an informed decision and choose the best service for your needs. At Route Runners Auto Transport, we are committed to providing exceptional auto transport services tailored to your needs. Contact us today at 8888-424-44420 or visit our website for a free quote. Trust Route Runners Auto Transport to deliver your vehicle safely and efficiently, and experience the peace of mind that comes with working with the best in the industry.